Spin that shit.
Crazy curvy wavy big titties little waist body crazy curvy wavy big titties little waist body crazy curvy wavy big titties little waist body crazy curvy wavy big titties little how about that ate it up and gave it back gave you feel good but they still wanna know we're making it talk me like a barbecue but you won't get your baby back see me in it.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. So you guys, in today's video, let's get into this burgundy wavy bob wig. So you guys, if you want to know more about this wig, go ahead and continue watching this video. So you guys, she does come with two combs in the front, no comb in the back, but she does has adjustable scraps, you guys. So you guys, this is a short wavy bob wig, of course, red wine with bangs. All information will be down in the description box if you are interested in purchasing her. This is a shoulder length wig. It is synthetic, you guys. Like I said, she is a curly bob. She's 14 inches long, and when I say, you guys, super cheap, only $16.99. and this is the color style bug. They do have multiple colors. They have 1B, pink, 350, green, even lime green, child. So if you're ready for them summer colors, okay, and you want to like a cute outfit just with a to match your wig, okay, check this wig out, you guys. Like I said, very lightweight. It's big hair friendly. The wig is not too thick, and what I like about that, because you know how when you have those super thick synthetic wigs, they tend to tangle very fast. I cannot speak on how is this wig gonna tangle very fast, because I only wore this wig for this video, but the looks of it, it look like it will last a little bit long, you know, if you don't sleep in it, of course. And yeah, but you guys seen how it came out the package. Them bangs was super long, too long for me, and I'm not really a bob. I'm sorry, I'm really not a bang girl. I haven't worn no bang in a long time, like in years. But the bangs was extremely long, so I had to go in and trim it up and, you know, make it to my liking, and I really like it. My little girl said I'm like a simple hero with this wig on, but anyway, it was super cute to me. I like it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm just gonna let this video play out, because basically I've just cut the wig, you guys, and just brushed it with my my wig brush, and that was it. I was trying to like do a little style, but I wanted to just stay like that. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The link to this wig will be down in the description box if you are interested in purchasing her.